This is what the MA die looks like after it's been fully assembled, and it's pretty cozy. The home comes in a wide range of sizes, but the 290 square foot home is the most affordable at $33,000. If you want something with a little more room, like a 904 square foot design, you'll have to fork over $73,000. Once the home is delivered, it can be easily assembled with the help of 3 people. You don't need an entire construction team to build your home, and best of all, it takes about 6 hours to finish assembling one. All you need is a flat location, and the coolest thing about this house is that the foundation doesn't have to be made of concrete. Once the homeowner agrees to the customized requirements, their MA die home can be delivered. Just hold your horses. While the construction might take a few hours, the actual delivery time takes a lot longer. So prepare to wait as much as 60 days after everything's been signed and approved. We sure hope you have a place to stay in the meantime. The most important thing to remember about this easy to build home is that it's quite safe. The building has been certified as being seismically safe, but the site hasn't specified how well it would stand up to hurricane force winds. Nevertheless, MA die is revolutionizing the concept of housing solutions and providing folks with a house that can grow, change, and move. One of the best things about the MA die is that it not only suits residential needs but others as well. The MA die can also be used for leisure purposes, such as setting up temporary dwelling for sports events and first aid facilities. It can also be used in other areas, like the hospitality industry for things like food fairs. This home provides comfort for you while also showing some tender loving care to Mother Nature. The wood used to create your safe space is eco-friendly, and the construction itself has absolutely no impact on the environment. But the biggest advantage is that it suits the needs of anyone who's constantly on the move, because now your home can move with you. Why have one MA die building when you can have 2 and create a temporary village? You can use them to invite your in-laws to stay over when they come for a visit. The best part is that they can be close, but not so close that they give you a headache. Imagine how amazing having these affordable, movable homes in a crisis, where homes have been destroyed by a tornado's aftermath. The interior of each MA die home has a modern and sleek style that will satisfy your needs. It'll feel just like home, especially after you add your own personal touch with furniture. You can even add solar panels to make the structure energy sufficient. This concept is a novel idea in that you can build an entire conventional house from the ground up. The space on the inside is also quite comfortable, so you have all the flexibility you need to design the interior any way you like, such as adding a round table and couch. The MA die system offers all sorts of housing solutions through the use of various modules. You can place a module side by side or laterally and in depth to create the perfect home. You also save money since you don't have to waste a lot of cash on resources and materials to turn the materials into a living space. When the sun goes down and things start to get a bit chilly, don't fret, because you're covered. The MA die contains solid foam insulation, which not only keeps chilly temperatures at bay, but also reduces noise. So with the addition of LED lighting, bathroom, sanitary facilities, and kitchen connections, you'll have the ultimate dream home.